Hello. So good morning. It's 9:25 a.m. I'm having my breakfast and also got some saloni from home. And after this, we'll get ready and go to office. So breakfast में है भिंडी और रोटी. So let's have this breakfast. And today, this video is going to be about a normal day in my life. So let's go on. So here comes the office time. It was a workful day, and in the evening, we had a small birthday celebration at our office. All right, guys, finally wrapped up another long day at work. It's been pretty hectic, but finally I'm done with it, and now I'm getting out of office, going back home. Honestly, after being cooped up inside, it feels so good that finally now I have fresh air. Hello and welcome to the evening. It's currently 8 p.m. and now we are going to go for grocery shopping. Let's go.
Il était un petit navire, il était un petit navire qui n'avait jamais navigué, qui n'avait jamais.
Just finished with my shopping, and guess what? As I came out, it started raining. Honestly, I did not see this coming. The weather had some other plans for me today. But there is something kind of nice about the rain, right? It is an unexpected pause in the day. I will have to wait now. So I have just come back and it's raining outside, but I somehow managed to bring the grocery and the stuff that I have shopped for. और सामान गीला होने लायक तो नहीं था बट थोड़ा सा गीला हो गया. सो अब हम क्या करेंगे इन सामान को. अब हम सामान को अरेंज करेंगे. These are the things that I've purchased. इस बैग में भी है काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं, बहुत सारी अनहेल्दी चीज़ें भी हैं क्योंकि जब भूख लगती है तो फिर ये अनहेल्दी चीज़ें ही काम आती है। So this is the current situation. What I'm gonna do is this blank cupboard with that. Let's do it. अब मैं ये स्वीट ब्रेड भी लेकर आई हूँ और मैंने चाय बना लिया है। तो आई एम हैविंग tea and bread. I know this is not the right time to have this. It's night, but I'm craving for tea and bread, so I'm having it. After this, I watched this movie in YouTube while enjoying my tea as it was raining outside. And while editing this video, it's already 2 a.m. So I am now going to sleep. Good night. See you all in the next video. Thank you for watching.